This is how you use the color trigger. So to change the background, we're gonna go to this color tab, select color, place it, edit object, click this, and select background. So we're gonna maybe make the background red, for example. So yeah, it will gonna turn the background to red. And we can also change the ground by copy and paste and select ground 1, and it will also change the ground to red.